Good time of the day, everyone. Welcome. Want to use Zoho Mail with your custom domain hosted on Hostinger? So in this quick guide, I'll show you and tell you how to connect it. So you can start by signing into your Zoho Mail account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free plan at mail.zoho.com. Once inside, go to the Mail admin console, click Domains and hit Add. Enter your domain name, make sure it's the one you've registered with Hostinger. After that, step number 2, Zoho will give you a TXT record to verify that you own the domain. Now open a new tab and go to your Hostinger dashboard. Click on DNS Zone Editor under your domain settings and add a TXT record exactly as shown in Zoho. Save changes, then return to Zoho and click Verify. After verification, Zoho will give you MX records to direct your domain's email traffic. Back in Hostinger's DNS settings, delete any old MX records and add the new one from Zoho. Make sure the priority values and host names match exactly. Save everything. Still in Hostinger, add the SPF and DKIM records Zoho provides. These improve email deliverability and prevent your emails from landing in spam. Use the TXT record time again for these and save. And that's it. Your Zoho Mail is now connected to your domain hosted on Hostinger. Emails sent to your domain will start landing in your Zoho inbox. If it doesn't work right away, give DNS changes up to 24 hours to take full effect. For more hosting and email tutorials, check out the next guide. Guys, thanks for watching as always. Hopefully you liked this video and found it helpful. Enjoy, subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification button, and see you in the next one.